Hey, just leave it to the PE pros.
Would You Rather Mystery Edition, Volume 2. How to play. 2 options will appear. One choice you'll know, but the other will be a mystery. You need to pick which one you want and then complete the exercise for the one you chose. Then, see what the mystery prize was. Would you rather have a handful of seashells or the mystery gift? It's a handful of mud. Would you rather have Beyblades or the mystery gift? Oh man, it's $100 in cash. You're rich. Would you rather have a rock or the mystery gift? Congratulations, you got Coach Deshaun. Would you rather ride a horse or get the mystery gift? Oh boy, you better take off because you're getting chased by a bull. Would you rather have 5 pencils or the mystery gift? Oh, you got 4 pencils. Would you rather be on the playground all day or take the mystery gift? Well, you should have took the playground because now you've got homework all night. Would you rather wear shoes on the wrong feet or accept the mystery gift? Oh, this is awkward. You won wearing socks for gloves. Would you rather get a new laptop or the mystery gift? It can't be! You got the Xbox Series X! And finally, would you rather have PE twice a day or take the mystery gift? Wow. Looks like you're just gonna get sprayed with a water bottle instead. Hey, thank y'all for playing. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and tune into the next video. We appreciate you more than you know.